Hi guys, I've just received my Bison 6-piece 13-inch 4 to 8 ounce beach travel rod today. This is what it looks like, and that comes out of the cover. The case it came with is a lovely hard-shelled travel case which will fit comfortably in a large suitcase that you would check in, or you can take it on board if you're in a plane. I bought this rod for that very purpose, so I can travel with it to, say, any coastal area, South Africa for example, or Australia. Anyway, about this rod, I find that, whatever this area is called, I don't know what it's called, but it's the part where your reel kind of connects to. If you look at my fingers off the bottom here, the way this thing was bored, I don't know if it's meant to be that way, where this end of here is thicker than the other side. But this is just the adjusting bolt that knots this or holds this item in place. So if you unscrew this, you can shift this up or down in which way you want. Again, on the other side, as you can see, the thickness there's more thickness over here than there is on this side. So given the fact that this is where your reel is mounted, I don't know if this is a design flaw or bore flaw, I don't know. In addition to that, for those of you out there, because this thing can move up and down, there is no sponge area fitted to this, no sponge or rubber shock absorbing area fitted to this area, or there, or on this extended part of here that fits on top of your rod. Because remember, this goes into there, and then you kind of end up holding it over here, or you're holding your reel bottom. But I'm going to have mine fitted with that in a few months' time, once COVID has relaxed a bit more. I'll just take it to somebody, because this is where I kind of like my reel mounted. When I have sponge put over there, the shock is over sponge, EVA grip, and I'm putting that over there on this side, and this whole thing will have EVA grip on it. In addition to that, these little cork sponge areas, I found that they actually move, so I'm going to assume that this probably only fitted to that mount. So if I were you, I wouldn't press on this at all, because I found when I pressed on this one, it actually started moving inwards, and I was like, whoa, what's this? Again, I don't know how this thing was, again, I don't know how this thing was glued or manufactured, but this connection part is in there, in this hole, and they seem to be all fitted the same way. Again, I don't know how long this rod will last. I hope for a long time once I get that, because I'm going to spend some money and get that EVA foam grip on here, just for my own personal comfort. I can't stand just a blank, just works on my rear end. Again, as you can see, the eyes are fitted quite well. It's not bad. And these are the eyelids over here. How they will work on salt water, I don't know. This rod does come with a few scratches on it. I have no idea why. Again, I've never used this rod. It only came today. And there's a scratch there. There's a scratch on this one over here. Whoops, there. And so forth. And here's the eyelid. So all in all, it's a fishing rod that's less than 50 pounds. So I'm not complaining. I mean, this is the biggest one I've seen. You can probably notice it immediately here. That scratch there. There's glossy on either side except for this part with my fingers on. I have no idea how that resulted. None. It could be from transportation within no, it can't even be that, because these things are standalone inside these pockets. So I don't know how this happens. Again, I just got my rod today, so I have no idea what's what. This is a very stiff rod, to be honest. What I mean by stiff is that there's literally no flex in this. There's no flex here, you know. So in this little tip over here, so you're not going to feel, I suspect you're not going to feel the bite of the small fishes, anything small, you know. So this tip is very it feels rigid, it feels strong on the build quality. So again, I haven't tried this rod out, but I'm not in the market catching small fish. So we'll see what happens, you know. I guess I won't be catching any or something like that with this, because again they would be classed as a small fish. I don't even know if I'll feel the bite. Again, not used rod. Any questions, give me a shout.